So, you found a cool model online. You discarded the rig and made your own, right? Probably trust issues. And now you should be animating, but fail to find a solution for one or more bones. This is actually... Whoa, no, Rick, for f***ing sake, stop! Put the TV down. Now. Listen, I know you're frustrated, so let's fix this. As far as I know, there are 3 ways to solve this problem. These are the merge method, the separation method, and the manual painting method. And the reason there's 3 methods and not 1 is because I don't know what causes the problem. Let's go. Select the character and then go into edit mode. With A, select all the vertices. Then click M and press merge by distance. Now you can see 24 vertices has merged together. And now simply try again and see if the armature works.
Congratulations.
Hey Einstein, it didn't fucking work.
But if it didn't work, let's move on to the next method. With the separation method, we are kind of dissecting the model into different pieces, because sometimes it's actually only one section of the 3D model that causes this whole problem. Now, if we enter edit mode again, we can with L just select a section of the model, like this scarf for example. Then with P we can make it its own object. And then we can take that object and actually parent with automatic weights to the armature. And it works. So now we know the scarf is not the problem. And the geometry in the scarf actually works like it's supposed to do. And the beautiful with the separation method is we can just repeat this entire process until every section of the model is parented to the armature, or we have located the center. So it's actually kind of a win-win situation, because you parent the armature to the mesh and you find the center that causes this whole problem. I don't know about you, but this method makes me feel like a doctor, like a surgeon who goes down and finding the cancer and cutting it out. But in case that didn't work either, here is the last method. Now, since we can't use automatic weights, we'll just parent the mesh to the bones normally. That will give us all these vertex groups. So, if we select the armature and shift select the mesh and go to weight paint mode, we can just select the bones and paint what we want the bones to control. Oh, make sure to get the backside, because this is easy to forget and the result looks terrible. Now, to be honest, this painting method is not something I would suggest to start with, because it's a bit more tricky and too manual for my taste. But if you're just unlucky and everything else fails, this is like going back old school style, so this will work. See, Rick? This is how you do it, okay?
Okay.
Good. So next time, calm down and trust my guidance. And don't even think for a second about smashing my TV again, or I'll put you on the naughty list. And Santa won't come this year. Understood?
Yes, Tobias. Sorry, Tobias.
Good. Now say it with me.
Merry Christmas, everybody, and a Happy New Year.